What you doing?
Pencil puzzles.
What is that?
It's where you get a bunch of clues and then they turn into a picture on here.
Oh. So, what's a clue?
Like, it's one of these boxes, like G1.
Uh-huh.
You go over one square, so it's here,
Uh-huh.
one. And the dark spaces right here and here.
Uh-huh.
Those are the ones that you color in.
Okay.
And it's
Oh, right. So like, so E5, like right there, you just finished that one, right?
yeah, you go here.
Oh, okay,
A
yeah.
box right there. Then a big line right there.
Okay. And that turns into a picture when you're done?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Are these some others that you've done?
Yes, they are.
Oh, wow. That looks like fun. Do you like these?
Yes, I do.
Where do you get them?
Pencil-puzzles.com.
Oh, really? So it's like it's a website.
Yes.
Okay. Well, cool.